So welcome back to part two of this episode of the Diary of a Lawyer, covering the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. From we stopped on Article 22, so we're now going to start from Article 22 to, I believe, Article 30, because it's comprised of various articles. Again, um, we're not going to go through the intricate and granular details of the legalities or the legal cases, etc. We're just going to have a broad outline of what this um, mother of all human rights documents uh, covers, so that people can get an idea and be the springboard and foundation for their own education, their own understanding, and sense of self-awareness for their own um, consumption. And we're not taking any detailed um, sides of contemporary debates. It's just focusing solely and purely on what actually the law said. So, without further ado, I'll continue from where we stopped. So, Article 22 does say that every member of society has a right to social security and is entitled to realization through national effort and international cooperation in accordance with the organization and resources of each state of the economic, social, and cultural rights indispensable for his dignity and the free development of his personality. Again, that's self-evident, but it appears to focus on individual self-potential. And then we have Article 23, which indicates that everyone has the right to work, to free choice of employment, to just and favorable conditions of work, and to protection against unemployment uh, without any discrimination. And everyone has the right to equal pay for equal work, and everyone who works has the right to just and favorable remuneration, ensuring for himself and his family an existence worthy worthy of human dignity and supplemented, if necessary, by other means of social protection. Again, that's self-evident, and it seems to echo a lot of the issues that are facing today's society, given the increased global cost of living. And it concludes that everyone has the right to form and join trade unions for the protection of his interests. I mean, that's important. It refers to the bargaining power uh, to ensure that people are not exploited by unscrupulous employers or other entities. And so that again is enshrined in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. So we then go to Article 24, which simply says that everyone has the right to rest and leisure, including reasonable limitation of working hours and periodic holidays with pay. Again, that's self-evident. It doesn't need any further discussion. Article 25 says everyone has the right to a standard of living adequate for the health and well-being of himself and of his family, including food, clothing, housing, medical care, and necessary social services, and the right to security in the event of unemployment, sickness, disability, old age, or other lack of livelihood in circumstances beyond his control. Again, that's self-evident. It refers to a sense of protection